Okay, I'm here at the Arkansas and Missouri Railway Depot. There's a museum here. Of course, it's not open today, but this is kind of cool. You can take this train. It's um, it's fully functioning, and you take this train for I think it's like a couple-hour ride, and there's like dinner and stuff served. So it's pretty cool. I don't get out to this part of the state very often, so I've seen this train advertised online, and I've really wanted to take it for an evening or a day or however their tours go, but it just never ended up materializing. I guess that's locked. Yeah, really cool historic train. There's not many places that offer rail tours like this anymore. This is in Springdale, Arkansas, by the way. This is where the train leaves, and I think it goes to the Fort Smith, Arkansas area and back. I think that's the tour. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Wow, that's a narrow staircase. This is a really nice way to travel. I've taken an Amtrak that had I think they call this a viewing car. I've actually taken an Amtrak train like this, and I gotta tell you, it was really nice. Definitely something you should do once in your life. Okay, now this I really like. I like the the fact that this is like preserved in its original condition. That's cool. This car seems so much more open and roomy than the other ones. So yeah, if you're in Springdale, Arkansas, which there's really no reason to be in Springdale, Arkansas, but if you happen to find yourself here, I highly recommend you take this for a spin. All right, now how do I get out of here? I think that was like a drinking fountain or something. Look at that. That's really cool. Hello.
Hello.
I'm out of here. It's amazing how close the train is to the side of the building.